brothers and sisters of Igbo descent, children of the soil, heirs of legends, the time has come to reclaim our glory. The Igbo Land and Remembrances yet again. The Council of Igbo States in the Americas, CISA, proudly presents the 2026 Annual Igbo Worldwide Festival of Arts, Language and Culture, a powerful, soul-stirring gathering that will shake the heavens and heal the wounds of history. Theme: Global Igbo Unification, healing the broken circle. This is more than a festival. This is a reawakening, a sacred homecoming, a moment where scattered sons and daughters of Igbo return to dance, sing, cry, and rise together under one ancestral fire at Igbo Landing. Highlights: His Majesty Eze Chukwuemeka Eri, Eze Ndi Igbo, Ezora 34th Eze Akajiovo Igbo, will personally preside over the naming ceremony and the historic reconnection of our African American brothers and sisters with their roots. Tears will flow, bonds will be restored, history will be written in love. Dates: Friday, 31st July 2026, 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. Saturday, August 1st, 2026, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Venue: Selden Park, 100 Genoa Martin Drive, Brunswick, Georgia 31520. Igbo Landing, St. Simon's Island, Georgia 31522. The sacred soil where our ancestors touched American ground. Expect thunderous traditional music, breathtaking masquerade performances, electrified dances, authentic Igbo cuisine, powerful storytelling, and cultural exhibitions that will make your chest swell with pride. This is our moment. This is where the broken circle becomes whole again at Igbo Landing, where the pains of yesterday fuels the fire of tomorrow, where every Igbo child in Africa, in the Americas, and across the globe stands tall and declares, "We are one, we are unbreakable, we are Igbo. Come home, come alive, come unified." For more information and hotel reservations, call Emeka Nwosu, Chairman, Planning Committee, on the number +1 757 305 7489. Mark your calendars today. Tell your family, bring your children. This is the one event you cannot miss. Echiemeze Ofili, President, Council of Igbo States in the Americas, announcer.